Hi everyone, I'm Pratyush Pandey from Educational Series, and today I've come up with a new video, India's Facts Part 2. So let's start this amazing video. So here is our national emblem, here is our national flag, Jai Hind, and here is our rupee symbol. So with this note, let's start this amazing facts about India video. Here comes now the facts. India has the highest numbers of post offices. More than 1.5 lakh post offices are in India. India is the birthplace of major four religions: Hinduism and Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. These all have originated in India. Islam, which is the Islam religion, India has the second most highest number of Islamis in India. They are second largest country which has this much amount of Islamis in it. The ancient city of Varanasi, which was visited by Lord Buddha in 1500 BC, is the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world today. Means from the 500 BC, people are living in this area. And Varanasi, more than for Lord Buddha's arrival, it's known for the Lord Shiva temples and the Lord Shiva Hindu devotees there, and the river Gangas, in which a lot of people take bath, and it's a very holy and caste place for the Hindus. And now, the more than 40% of the mangoes in the world are grown in India. You may know, various mangoes. So more than 40% of the total mango producer is in India. And India is the largest producer of milk in the world. There are a lot of cows here, and therefore it's the largest producer of milk. Now let's learn some more facts. Almost 50% of the total population on the country is dependent on agriculture. 50% of the people living in India, do they have their farms or depend on their agriculture for food. India is the largest producer of bananas. As you can see them, India is the largest producer in the world. Also, India, the GDP is the total money. India GDP is 1996 billion US dollars, which is a lot of much. And India has, with this, India is the 10th largest economy in the whole world. The Bombay Stock Exchange market is the biggest of the world. More than 5,000 campaigns, the people from different countries, different countries in India, and different areas in India, different countries, they all come to this Bombay Stock Exchange market, which is the vast and it is the biggest in the world. The pharmaceutical industry, which means the producer of medicines, is in India the third largest in the volume of the production. It's the third largest. The pharmacy, the medicine production in India is the third largest by its volume. How much we produce is the third largest in the whole world. And the Bailey Bridge in Ladakh Valley is the bridge built at the highest altitude in the world. It's a 300-meter long bridge, situated at the height of 5,600 meters between the river Suru and the Dras, which are constructed by Indian Army in 1982. So high because it was to cross the river. So at this altitude, it was very difficult. But the Indian Army made it, which are used by Indian Army and the people there. So India is among the top 5 producers of tea, silk, spices, of course, sugar, cotton, rubber, coffee and fish in the whole world. This all produces. India is the top 5 producer of this in the whole world. the highest cricket ground, not the largest, the highest, the situated at the highest cricket ground in the world is located in Chel, Himachal Pradesh, which is in India. This ground was laid out in 1893 when a hilltop was flattened and created at the height of 2,444 meters. You see, at that mountain and people are praying, and if the ball goes, then how will they catch it? And above the sea level, Indian Railways is the world's 8th largest employers, employing more than 1.4 million people. This much people are employed by the Indian Railways. Can you see how much opportunities it gives to the people? How much work, how they can job opportunities? India is the home to the second largest pool of software engineers, scientists, astronomers in the whole world. You know, not even India is high, it's at top level in producer of silk and materials, in brotherhood in culture, but it is also very high in the western type of cultures, high scientists, modern technologies. These are India is also one of the top in that field too. It happens to be the second largest English speaking. After England, or maybe India is the second largest speaking English speaking country in the world. Second largest group of people speak English in India. And here you can see this amazing railway tracks and the gateway of India, which is situated in Mumbai. So this was all in this amazing video. If you like this video or the facts about India, if you came to know something new, then please like to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon segment below to get regular updates of my videos. Thank you and bye bye.